Bro, what are you doing with your life, bro? What do you like? I thought you said you want to be a great. I thought you said you want to be the best, but you don't act like you don't move like it. You wake up late, you sleep late, you don't study, you don't work out. You don't want this shit, and no one's gonna feel sorry for you when you don't get it. That's your problem.